In this tutorial I'm going to remind you, and I say remind you because you've done this plenty of times, how to create a report. By the way, you've done all of this stuff that I've been explaining to you since year 8. So here I select query because I want to make a report out of these queries. So query, I put there enroll, the ones that were yes or no. I'm going to click in here, create, and create. I'm going to click in here, report wizard. So in here, these are the available fields coming out of that query, and I want to have all of them. Why not? You will decide as well which ones are relevant or not. In my case, I decide that all of them are okay. So in here, I'll go next. Yeah. Now, do I want to subgroup the report? And I say yes, I want to subgroup that by the student. So one student will show me all the courses underneath that he has been enrolled, rather than having different names and the name repeated with a different course. So one name only, one student and all the courses that he has done. Yeah, I can do that the other way around as well, by the way. I can do the course, say, okay, this course, and how many people has enrolled to that course. Yeah. But in my case, I'm going to do it that way. Next, do you want any grouping level? No, I'm alright with that grouping. Next, do I want any ascending? Well, I can do ascending, why not? I want to see the one that is more expensive first. Next, stepped, yes, I want a step because the way I've done is grouping. So I imagine that here will be the student name and here the courses. Do I want portrait last? No, portrait is enough. And I'm going to go next, and students, and I'm going to call it report. Yeah. And okay. Well, this is what you have in here. You have Lily. Yeah, one prize for the course park run, walking the dog, and advanced reading, I think it was, and that was by Thomas Davis. Notice that this is, I can change to landscape if I want to make it slightly bigger, or I can as well rearrange this. So I'm going to close print preview, and now I am on the design view, and on here I'm going to make some changes. Yeah. For instance, in here I'm going to move this course title. I'm going to move it slightly in here. Yeah, and here. Notice that that's the label, and here is the data. Yeah. So up there is where the label is, course title. So it's just exactly that. And here this will be replaced by the actual data. Course reference. Put it here. Yeah. Reference there, and in here. Okay. So that makes it slightly better. Enroll or no, we'll say yes or no. So now we have more room for that. Yeah. So let's see how it looks like now. Okay, so yes, no, are you? So it looks slightly better. Here is not entirely, aligned, and so is the course title. So another thing I can do as well in here is to make it slightly nicer, yeah, to follow certain colors. So I'm going to do that. What color am I going to do? I'm going to use this red orange. Okay, I'm going to use this red orange, and this red orange will be my house style, as it were, meaning that I'm going to use that for all the reports. I'm not going to change that. I may as well not have the logo, but yeah, I'm happy with that. You can think of any other changes. Remember that you can easily do that. You can go to home in here to just change if you want to the colors or anything in particular. I don't know whether it is advisable or not to stick with this design and the house colors that you have in there, rather than, because in doing that you stick to the same principle for all of them, and that's what you actually want. Yeah, you want to stick to the same type of layout design for all the reports, just to be consistent. Now this, I say this, but the same thing will apply to the other queries as well. So I leave it to you to finish and to work out the other reports.